Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger not syncing contacts issue. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now we will want to simply go to our Messenger app so we can fix this problem. So first, you will need to check that you have this feature that is already allowed into your contacts or into the app so you can be able to start sync your contacts. So from here, we will want to go to Messenger and then we want to go to the settings. So here we will have this menu and that would allow us to go to settings. So from the settings, we will want to synchronize our contacts. So from here, we will have these preferences, services, and stuff. So here, if you go to manage account, you will find only your accounts. Here you will find your username. Those are just settings concerning your profile, services, preferences. So from here, we will want to simply uh, accessing or enabling the contact synchronizing in Messenger. And now we want to go to the account center and from there we will want to go to information and permissions. So from here we will want to go to upload contacts and make sure to upload your contacts. You will choose your messenger and then you will need just to make sure this upload contacts to be on. After you check that, you will be needing to check if you have your permission for the contacts that are enabled to Messenger. So here we will want to go to System Settings and here we will find Apps and Notification. We go to Messenger and make sure that the permission for the contacts are on. So here I have the contacts that are enabled for Messenger and simply all I need to do now is to allow my messenger to simply upload the contacts and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.